Hello Year 9s. So we're going to start a topic on mixing and separating, well actually an inquiry within that. So go to the inquiry and you'll find first up the individual reflections and then your group number. You'll find a task, the first task. So in that you need to go to the emergency water task document. Here you need to make a copy of this. One for your group only, please. So decide who that's going to be. You can rename it if you like. Group P or whatever you were. And decide where you're going to put it, probably in your science folder. And then share it with some people. You can either do that here, or you can go to the right hand side of the screen once it's created and then share it with the other people in your group. Just enter their email addresses in here and click, and decide, say that they can edit and click send. Once you've done that, you need to please submit it on the right hand side of your Schoology page. Again, remember, I only need one task for the whole group. Please don't send 4, just 1, because you're going to work collaboratively on the one document. Once you've done that, please add the names of your group members and then scroll down and you can start working. So each of you need to be able to read what you need to do. You get given this equipment only, so make sure that you design and build a water filtering system capable of 200 ml of water. Note what you have to succeed in, the criteria, in order to do well at this task. Now, you're going to be marked on both your planning and your final design. So planning, it's got 2 portions to it. That's the collaboration and the planning sketch. For the collaboration portion of it, you're going to create a shared coggle. So to do that, you need to go click on here. Oops, so as I was saying, this is in the wrong place now. You're going to go to a coggle. You're going to create a coggle and then you're going to begin to add things onto your coggle. Remember to share the coggle with those in your group so that you could add things in. Okay, don't create too many arms like this, because then you'll end up not being able to make head or tail of it. So have a look at what other people have written before you just decide. So it's create diagram. So we're going to create a new diagram and you can share the diagram with other people. And then you can just put in the title in the middle and start adding. Filter, what are you going to filter? You can add on here. Filter out the whatever you're filtering, etc. And you can add another one here. And so everybody in your group should be working on this together collaboratively. Don't spend too much time on it, maybe 10 minutes, and then you move on to the next thing. So you need to be responsible to time your task. Once you're done with that, make sure that you take a screenshot of your coggle. So nominate one person in the group to do that and paste it here. The next thing you need to do is the planning sketch. And again, somebody could be working on that while the others are planning the coggle. So you're going to sketch a plan of your design. Please make it really rough, just so that you can think it through. Do not, again, take longer than 10 minutes. Once you're done, you can take a photo and upload it to the page. And again, nominate just one person to do that while the others are doing the testing. So you need to do the testing in between these 2 pages. Make sure that you do the testing before you do your final design. So go and get the equipment that you need, get the water you get given, and all this equipment, and make sure that you are only doing the final design after the investigation. Right? You could actually, again, nominate one person in your group to start drawing it while you're doing the investigation if you like. Make sure that you then reflect on the process. Oops, there's a spelling mistake. And then submit that. Your reflection is due after. I was saying your reflection is due after class and by Wednesday. Please make sure you do that individually.